Hi guys, how are you doing? In this video I'm just going to give you a very quick update on a lawn we renovated a few months ago. So I'm just going to show you. We have to go down this rather steep slope here, but it's all worth it. It's an absolutely beautiful property and a beautiful location. Look at that. Stunning. So, the lawn, yes, right. It's got some red thread in, it's got some mushrooms in. All fungus, all caused by high humidity. Now, this was completely renovated heavily, scarified several times, holotine aerated, overseeded and top dressed. We did a video on it a while ago, a few months ago now, and as you can see, everything has come through just brilliant. The customer has watered exactly as requested, which sadly doesn't always happen. But yeah, in general, it's all come through. It's nice. Slight bit of thinning there because it's usually troublesome down this edge because of these great big, yeah, horrible prickly things. Forgot what they're called now. Anyway, just a few weeds in there, a bit of red thread in lawn, and some little slugs. In general, we've got some plantains, daisies, dandelions and clovers. But yeah, overall it is really good. And then we've got some mushrooms there and there. But the reason I brought the camera here is for the view. You cannot appreciate it enough on camera, but literally the garden just overlooks this valley and it's beautiful. You can't call this work. Being outdoors in nature, you just cannot call it work at all. Right guys, we'll see you on the next one.